your girl J Baby, and welcome back to the channel. Alright ladies, I had did a haul before, like an affordable wig haul on the Janet collection, and I am going back with the Doris wig right here, and this is what she looks like. And this is in a 1B. Now it is the Swiss lace extremely deep part wig. This is the one that's like really nice and curly. So I'm going to be reviewing this wig, and I have a couple of other wigs I'm going to be reviewing throughout the end of this week. So basically I had already tried her on before, and I had already cut her lace, and this is what she looks like right here. So I'm going to be trying her on. Okay, so this is what she looks like. And of course she had baby hairs that was down here and everything. So what I'm going to do is, I don't really have to wear any glue with her because she is down like really good. So do I want a side part or a middle part? Let me see what she has. She has a middle part. I really don't want a middle part. I'm wearing middle parts a lot. So what I'm going to do is probably wear her like this, and I'm going to just go ahead on and style her. Maybe pluck out a little bit of the hairs that's in the middle just to open her up just a little bit. It's broke. This wig, as you can see, this is a really nice wig. Really nice. Now I have another wig, which is my Brazilian deep wave hair, and it's like really wavy and really curly. So this gives you like the Brazilian deep wave hair. Oh my goodness, it's like really nice. Like if you on a budget, and I'm trying now to do more of budget friendly videos. I do like my Brazilian and I do like my virgin hair, but I think that I'm trying to lead more into getting the affordable hair for you guys now, because it can get a little what's the word I'm looking for? It can get a little crazy when you have all these companies trying to contact you over hair, and then we kind of lose focus in the budget friendly thing and getting you a little, because we have the virgin hair. So I'm gonna try to gear more to you guys, because you guys been saying, you know, you do a lot of virgin hair and we really can't afford it, but can you do like a video to like gear us more into budget friendly? So this is a budget friendly one. I will put how much the wig costs. Now none of these wigs are like over $25. I don't believe it is, but I will post how much it costs, and I will put all the specs and everything in it. So this is the Doris extended part lace based deep part wig, and it is on color 1B, and they have the general care here, and then they also have the different colors that she comes with. And I think that, well, she's rocking the middle, but I think that the side part really works for me. So my overall thought on this hair is that, let's say the pros that I do have is that it's really nice and soft. It's not like and it's fluffy. It's not heavy at all. It's big head friendly. It doesn't shed much, so I can really do this. I can really get away with this. the texture of it is just soft. You can actually put water, but my water bottle, the top broke on it, so y'all saw me dipping it over in my hand. So I went on and used the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus frizz-free curl mousse, and I didn't put a lot in it because I don't want a build-up, because then I have to do the washing. But if you can see it, it's really nice and like softly, like it's not like it's big and heavy. So I really do like this wig. I think that the Janet collection did a really good job on this wig. And you can see I put some concealer in the middle part of there, and I just went on and just put just a little tad bit of baby hairs in it, just so it can look just a little bit natural up where this part is. But the cons I have is that you do have like some little small hairs that may be in it, but you can like you saw me just take the razor and just clip that out. You can clip that out, that's fine. So I don't have anything bad to say about this wig at all. I already let you guys know there is a comb in the back. There's adjustable strap. Let's see, we have a comb right here on the side, right here on this side, and I'm not sure if it's one up the top of here or not. I think that's my braid. But overall, I love this wig. So I will put everything that you need in the description bar. If you need like a little shine or whatever, I'm thinking maybe you can use a little bit, just a little bit of like hairspray, just a little teeny bit. Or they have some wig spray sheen that you can use, but I like it like this because it gives you more of that natural look. You know, virgin hair don't have like really a shine to it. It has more of a look like this. So yes. Okay, so I'm gonna get out of here on this wig because I have a couple of more wigs that I have to get to you ladies. And yeah, this wig is really cute. It's really cute. You can go out. This is like a Friday night hair. You know, you can go to a club with this, honey. You can go to the movies. You can go to the mall. Anything you want to do with this wig, you can do it with this wig. So, yes, overall, I love it. Yes. All right, ladies, be blessed and not stressing your girl. J Baby, signing off.